Y'all can hear me now? Another one. Yup. We back. Hopefully now it's gonna be better. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let me check. No voice again. Alright, now it's gonna be good. All good. Let's get back on it, man. Let's get back on it, bro. So far, looking at NQ, it's just a sound emitter. Let me just turn off the indicator. So just turn off. If you guys can hear some background noise, let me know. If y'all can hear some background noise, let me know. Oh man, we got 13 viewers. More viewers are coming in. Okay. Come on, guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, so the live stream can be like pushed to other people too. Let's continue. Let's start. Not let's continue, man. Let's just start, man. Hopefully that issue just stops, bro. Like every day. I got the internet. Hear me clearly, bro. The internet is like so bad. What is your view for metals and NSCs? Wait, just get a C. No. Alright, so far we have this SMT here. She's looking good. And I love how we're setting up this CISD, but don't want to take it, bro. It looks a bit sus. Do I have any PSPs here? This is a PSP. We got the second stage here. So now we're trading away from that second. This is like a strength switch, it is. Is it? Yeah, this is a strength switch. Holy, going from stronger to weaker. This is a flash manipulate. I want to trade back to the low. Oh, okay, that's looking good. That is looking good to take. Alright. Seems like we might have something here. We got that roof there. I might be willing to take this one again. Or probably in YM. Yeah, probably take it a YM. Still just at the body of the candle. But the thing is, we have to go a bit beyond that low to be able to get that 2R that we want to get. Ideally, I would see this fair to manipulate. Probably go back at least to this level, like, at least bare minimum. Kink treatment or beer minimum. Let's see. Probably trade back from the gap. As soon as we get this CISD, I want to trade back from the gap. Trade back into the gap. Then that would be my setup. I'm also looking for a trade idea here, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get it or not. Let's see. 3 minute. I'm looking at silver. Holy, we did. Holy moly, bro. Let me see what is going on with the M15. We got that swing formation, the M3. We got the CISD. Which one is more interesting? Let me see if I want to take this one. Probably be like a lot of risk. That's trade away. Up. Show directly. Okay, perfect. They got my trade away directly. Perfect. 600, 790. Like, should I go a little bit higher? Stops here for a main gap. Or no, I'll just go with YM. Let's just go with YM, bro. But this one looks really good to the downside. Like, the only problem is with silver, bro. Like, the contract is a bit over. Like, the contract size is a bit over. I don't want to go with like $900, $800 of risk. I don't risk it on a single trade. Unfortunately, might not be able to take this one. 30 minute. But overall, like, I'm waiting for this 90-minute candle to close because we have this 2 stage to the downside. So we have this 2 stage to the downside, and also we have this 2 stage to the upside. So let me see if I can hear the background noise. And don't forget, oh my god, bro. The stream is lagging, bro. My days, man. I haven't taken out that equalizer. I haven't taken out that low yet. Price did not take the low yet. So I wouldn't be able to trade it. Y'all can hear me? Holy, bro. The internet is just doing me so dirty, bro. I think it's, yeah, man. It is. The internet is doing me bad, bro. All right, now I think it's good. Go with, no, this is silver. This is already that micro contract silver on silver. This is the micro contract. Let me show you some. This is the micro contract on silver. This is silver, is just the contract. And if we're gonna SL, then that's like the normal. That's the normal one. It looks really clean, man. It looks really clean. This 2 stage at the highs, it looks really clean, man. I want to edit, but probably like with a new invalidation level, maybe. That's be like the only thing I can do. Because this one's already the micro. This is the, where is it? If you go here, you add silver. Why is it not available? So this is the silver futures and this is the micro. I'm already on the micro. If I go to silver futures, bro, that's gonna be a lot. That's gonna be like way more, like way more. Create one limit, one contract, 3K. That's like not for me, so not for the time being. And also there's no 2 stage here, so I might just have to wait for a bit. Like if this one closes as PSP, then I might be able to take it. So let's see why I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off, set an alert here. Even though I don't like how NSCs are setting up. Ideally what I want to see on HO, like I want to see this level gets taken out first, and then I want to see that CIC, I will take it to the upside. That's what I want to see on HO. Let me see what's going on here. Alright. 1 minute. Is that like some sort of, okay, we're holding a gap right now. Trading within a gap. I might be willing to trade, like to execute on M1. It will be like a quick scalp from here, stops here. That'll be like a $300 risk. Okay, perfect. I might take it. Alright, let me see. Oh wait, YM's also setting up. Holy. I don't like the closure. I don't like this closure. I don't like the last second closure, so I'll have to wait for another candle. Let's see YM. YM is the one I want to take. 3 minute. We'll get this kind of strength, this minor strength rush here. The internet is not great. Alright, from the high of day, okay. We have this strength switch here. So this is like all that I'm trading right now. It's like this strength switch here. Like that's like the whole idea of this trade. With the anticipation of this is the failure to manipulate, so we can continue to the next relevant draw. That's really it. SMT2. So if we get this one, if I've traded into a gap, that would be the valid CISD, but now this is the valid CISD. Let's see what silver is doing. Okay, just trade it higher. So we're gonna trade above this high. HO, please can you trade it back lower? But like that was a trade. That was like the trade. This one to this low. In and out. Let me see what's going on now. Y'all can hear me? No voice again. I think, yep, go to, I can hear some real, yeah. Yeah, it is. There are some rails in the background. Let me go with this one a little bit. Probably like this level. Y'all can hear me now? And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We got 7 likes. Come on, man. And how many subs we got? 1594. So we might be able to get it to like, I don't know, 1600 today. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and give it a subscribe. And let's get it to 1700. That'll be perfect. 1700 today. That's gonna be really great. All right, let's continue, man. Let's continue. There's nothing so far, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just. My life is all I have. Strong, don't judge me. All right, let me see. If we get the CISD with this 90 minute closing as a C2, with that second stage, I will be willing to take it to the upside, by the way. If we get the 90 minute in 5 minutes closing this way, which I think it will, and we get this M5 setup, this M3 CISD, especially with the sweep and this CISD, I will take it to the upside. But I don't think my account would be able to take it because this one's like such a opposing candle, so such a large opposing candle. Y'all can hear me now? Is it better? Is it better now? Oh my god. We might have to wait until 1400. This current 4 hour candle is not doing anything really. Like we want some sort of expansion to one side. Let me just take that off. It looks a bit. Oh, what was I gonna do? Let's just go with the hard time frame candles. Ideally, I drive back into the highs. That would be perfect. But like a new level here, like a new swing, that would be perfect. I would trade it below this level. We did. Okay, so we have this SMT here. We do have this SMT. But is it of relevance? It is. Other than that, like there's nothing. PSB. And the PSB. ES. Same. The markets are just so dry. Alright, we're getting this CSD, this propulsion block off of this auto block. This one is higher. Oh my god, y'all can hear me? Yeah. Yes, okay. Better. I do too, brother. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, man. Come on, hit the thumbs up. Let's take it to new highs. Let's see. Probably we'll be able to get like to 1600 today. We need 6 subscribers, so I think we might be able to hit it for do like a 2-hour stream. If anybody here haven't subscribed already, it would be really great if you do subscribe, because we will be able to get to 1600 subs today, which is another milestone. Because on the first, look at that, bro. Again, Facebook. On the first, we got to 1500. I don't know, on the second or the third, I don't remember. And now, like 10 days after, that is perfect. So, yeah, let's just keep pushing, man. Let's just keep pushing. Let's keep providing value. See that more. Okay, perfect. So I think the 90 minute is gonna close as I was anticipating to, as I wanted to, which is with that 2-stage PSP forming the low. Let me see that's for the low day. Nope, it's not. But we do have this strength switch, which is beautiful. Beautiful strength switch. I did not trade this candle, unfortunately. Let me see, was there something there? Nothing. I was gonna take this trade on CL. Let me show you guys the trade I was gonna take on CL. But literally just run this one. The minute I wanted to press sell, it just ran. Yeah. Then like price was here all of a sudden, so yeah, I was gonna take. Alright, perfect. So far we're seeing NQ, YM are breaking to the upside, which is perfect. That's something I really want to see. The 90 minute is also closing now. So now I can frame a new trade idea out of it. With that, this one. So ideally what I want to see is some sort of gap forming and then like respecting that gap or sweeping the gap and then continuing. That's ideally what I want to see. And I'll take it back to this draw on liquidity or to the AQ to leg, which is, this leg is a bit huge. Yeah, probably to this AQ. That's going to be another valid setup for me. So silver is just pushing higher. Let's see. So 30 minute, we got a 30-minute candle closure. Let's see how we close. 12 FPS, nice, bullish. So far we have this second stage. Let's see which one is gonna hold. So now this is where it gets tricky. This is where some people will be like, should I take it to the upside or to the downside? Let's look on a 4 hour. What do we have? It both sided, like it took out a low, took out a high. Hourly. This is a C3, but also a C2. 3 minute. I think what would kind of filter out the signal is this second stage. Either if gold takes out the high and silver holds the high, and then we get a first stage, and then we see the CISD, then I would trust this as being the high, and this as a failure to manipulate, and we're gonna continue lower. If not, if gold takes out the high, this one doesn't, and we just see silver CISD on the upside, then I would be anticipating this to hold, especially once we got that strength switch, PSP, a failure of a bearish swing, so that would be an easy continuation back up into the highs. So let's see. Did we trade above the high? Did we trade above the high? Not really, not yet. Let's see. HO haven't really traded back to the lows. Holy, it's just strange. Yeah, I really don't want HO to trade into the lows. 90 minute. How's the 90 minute closing? It's a bearish candle. I think we'll have a 2-stage PSP there. Bearish. 3 minute. Bearish. Alright, so we have this. Alright, so this is a PSP. So if we get this, that will be perfect. Ideally, I want to see HO sweep because we got like these stacked lows here. And there's no level to reverse off of within an AQ, which is just a gap. And if we fail to reverse from the gap, then we take out the level that was formed off of the gap. To then, we'll have that second stage. This is the first stage. Second stage to go up to the highs. That's what I would be willing to take. Let me see. Looking for shorts or longs on NSCs. Ideally longs. I really want to take longs on NSCs. My friend suggested me your channel. Amazing. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, man. Perfect, man. Thank you, guys. Let's see if we got any new subs. If we take it to 1600, that would be perfect. If we take it today to oh my god. All right. So ideally, I want to see that second stage on HO, and I would be willing to take it at the highs. Especially with this being like this London reversal profile, taking out a relevant swing, having that 30-minute CISD. Also, it might be an hourly CISD. Yup. So that's perfect. That's perfect to me. If we get that second stage, that would be perfect. Like, already CL has like a C2. RB has a C2 too. So, but I want to take HO. It's just, well, because of the strength, because we have the CISD. CL we don't. RB we don't too. So ideally I want to take HO because now it's already setting up. But are we going to get the second stage? That's the question. I don't want to get it. I don't want to take a trade just off of this one. I want to see the low gets taken out first. Or take this and take something here, which is a bit far from this low. Then I can anticipate this low to hold. If not, then yeah, I'm just not gonna take it. Okay, the internet is good. Perfect. Let me see. Alright, perfect. Holy. Yep. NQ just run to the high. GC. Let's see. So we still have nothing here. Like and sub. Thank you guys, Robson and Atom. Man, that was a good decision to give you guys the moderator. Looking for shorts or longs? Yeah, longs, ideally. Ideally longs. We're seeing price pushing higher, which is perfect. So either I want to take that fair to manipulate or that new swing formation. That would be the ideal scenario. So we got ES, that same high is like here. It's a bit far away. YN is right there. So we might also be willing to wait for the hourly closure to give us that C3. To give us that C2 on hourly. Like if you really that C3. This is that C2. This is that C3. Again, once the hourly candle closure, if we're not in a trade already, I want to see that signature to failure to manipulate because we took out relevant swings. Continuation, we can go up to that high. If we're not reversing from this high, and also the gap, then this is the area we'll do it from. So let's see. Ideally, if we see that gap, continuation, I will take it. Yes. Let's see. If we trade below the gap, I will take it. HO is the one I want to take, but so far it's not setting up. What about gold? Long. Yep, that's what I'm waiting for. I need to see the trigger. Because we got also a 30-minute PSP here. Got a 30-minute. It's not really PSP, but it might be like a one stage. I want to see how this one stage is gonna play out before being able to take it to the upside. But if I want to take longs, I want to take them on silver better. I don't want to take it on gold, because on silver I can trade back into the high. For gold, we're already close to the high, so it will be a little bit troublesome. Look at that, we got the trade on each show. Okay, so we just got the first CISD. Let's see if this gap holds and gives us a new propulsion block or a new ore block. I will take it from there, due to the fact that I don't want to trade away from these fire swings. If we get this, like this kind of closes, trade back CISD, or like trade back, sweep the gap CISD, or trade back into the ore block. So yeah, that would be good. Where to go? Will I have anything? Or will I be? Alright, so we got that second stage now. We just blew through it. Okay, perfect. Okay. Let me see. 3 minutes. But I wouldn't be able to execute on this one, bro. Like, the stop is huge. 755. I probably want to take it like this. Yeah, let's take it like this. Alright, that's gonna be me for silver. That's gonna be. But I probably put my TP just 1k. Just on 1k. Oh, but remember, look at that. We have this SMT here now. With the highs. So we get the 90-minute C2. Two-stage crack correlation. This one, I'm confirming the law of that new 90-minute candle. So ideally, I just want to see pressure tracing back. Tagging me in. We got this gap, so that's why I'm putting my stop at the body. The candle. Let's see. Oh. Wait. I want to see this M5. I want to see this M5 closure. Wait. Perfect. Another one is setting up on ES. Look at that. Or I might be willing to hit it on the gap. Let me see. Is it worth taking a risk? 365, but it will form a new low. That's the problem. And we just took out a relevant swing on gold. So it's not really the smartest to take it right now. It's not really the wisest. We just took out a high on gold. Are we just gonna reverse from there? Should we go with it, boys? 4. Nah, it doesn't look good, man. It doesn't look good. Yeah, if it goes, it goes. I don't care. If it goes, it goes. If it goes, it goes. Yeah, just the fact that gold took out a high. Yeah, ideally I don't want to be in a trade. Now I need to see a fair to manipulate on gold to be able to take silver, because I don't know if this is going to be that reversal point or not. So I might not take it for the time being. I'll just take YN from here to here. So I'll just go ahead and put another alert here. It feels like a $200 risk. I would have taken it, bro. I'll be willing to take it. 350, nah. So. Seems like the gap is doing what it's supposed to do. But nah, I'm not gonna take it. Please increase mic volume. Y'all can hear me now? I think now it might be better. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, Let's see if we got new subs here. Let's see. Still not. I think by the time we close the stream, we'll get new subs. Let's see. Let me see. So we got an M15. Are we gonna reverse from here? Seems like I might reverse from here, guys. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Looking good. 30 minute. M15. We got a PSP. Oh, okay. It shows. Alright. He's putting in that new high. But it's not. Nah, bro. It's just looking so bad. Silver is still kind of struggling to break below that gap. So it seems it's holding, man. So far as no one is staying. But it's just like too low in a leg. And also we formed a new M30 candle swing. Like a new 90-minute candle swing. So I'll just have to wait, man. I'd rather miss it then. If it just misses me, like, it is what it is. But the reason, because we took out the high in gold, so I need to see at least on gold this CISD here to be able to take it. And if I do get a CISD here on gold, I might just take gold and just aim for 2R. Like, just take a static 2R, like somewhere in here. Even though like the opposing candle is not the cleanest, it's not the greatest, but I might just go with the M1, M2. Yeah, probably I might just go with the M2. If we get this CISD, I might just take it on gold. Because it will allow me to get my $500 risk and then take it to the upside. To where? That's the question. That's gonna be like somewhere in AQ, with an AQ. Or just as I said, my static 2R. So we're already within the discount, so premium I mean. So yep, just flushing through it. Alright. HO is looking also good. Take out a low, please. And give me the highs, please. Take that off, I don't need it. This shit can go one or two ways. This shit can go up or it can go down. You're winning unprepared. Just like silver. Either way, nigga, unprepared. I might take one on gold. The idea of this one is like a C3. Which hit above irrelevant swing. We have this 2-stage, which is like for the time being it is a 2-stage. Also like 2 minutes. In 2 minutes we're gonna get the closure of the M15. So we're a 2-stage PSP, but what do? We have V failures to manipulate. So now, if we have a 2-stage PSP to the upside, which is a true reversal, and we have a CIC to the upside, so this is a failure to manipulate, and this is not a reversal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the idea that we have the perfect combination for a reversal, and still we get that CIC to the upside. So I would go with that idea of just anticipating this SMT break. And probably by the time silver is expanding, I might be holding GC long until probably it's like this high or that high, and then see if I'm at 2R, close it. If some silver is here and I'm already up to R, I'll just wait until we get a relevant swing taken out on silver. That's if we manage to get it. If not, then yeah, then I'm just not gonna take a trade. I told you. This shit could go. I don't see the highest highs. I don't see it twice. And still I rose. Just put the words giveaway in your title and you give it. G colder, yeah bro. Fair to manipulate it. Exactly. Let's see. What do you guys think about trying the idea of let's do it. Nah. It will. People will not trust me. Is it like it or it's me? Probably it's me. Probably it's me. Circles. God, I'm back. Look at that. It's looking really beautiful, man. I'll wait for this 30-minute candle to close. That's gonna be really good. We got the 2-stage PSP on a 4-hour. That's really clean. I'll be willing to take this one to the downside, man. Yeah, now I'm anticipating this is a failure to manipulate. And I want the price now to go to this low. And I'll take it on gold, by the way, because that's the only one I can execute my trades on. I cannot really execute on silver. So what do I need? What am I waiting for now? Just that new opposing candle, and I will take it back to that low. So that's gonna be my trade for the day. Oh my god, bro. Or HO. I hope HO holds that gap and we get that CISD. So that's gonna be one setup. Second setup is this, waiting for this, because I'm also waiting for the hourly candle to close. Hopefully it will be a C2, because with that 2-stage PSP, now I can trade it directly. By the way, I can trade it directly. Let's see if we can trade an M5 directly. Let's see. M3. I'll just wait for an M5, and I will try to get my stop in a protected position. Let's see for my two. Oh, that's way up in the range. Holy, bro. I might just have to put it somewhere in here to be able to get 2R by the time we get the low out. Let me see for 2R. Alright, so I'll have to... If I get that CISD, I will put my stop there. I will put my limit here to be able to cover the high. Alright, let's see if we get the CISD. If we do, that's going to be a new level. That's going to be that sale for me. With that 2-stage PSP. Alright, HO. Seems like it's going for the low, which is perfect. I'm just not going to really... I'm not really bothered with this. I'll have to wait for the hourly candle to close if I want to take source. Because there's no crack and correlation here. Yeah, there's nothing really. Yeah, no cracks and correlation here. So I'll just have to wait. So GC looks a lot better. Oh, perfect. 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 MGC. I'm just going to go for that same level to be able to get 2R. I just want to be out by the time this log is taken out. I'll be risking 500 bucks. Alright, 3 contracts. Let's see if we're gonna get the CISD. Alright. Perfect. Let's see. Let's see if gold is gonna do us good here today. Holy, bro. Fuck's sake. Wait. Where are you going, bro? Where are you going? You standing to give me my entry? Come on. Hey. You're a Mexican? Wow, bro. Oh, man. M3. This M3 literally reminds me of yesterday's, what was it? Literally, it reminds me of the exact same M3 from yesterday. Let me turn on my PSP indicator. Let me turn it on. Let me show you guys. It's literally the exact same one that I missed on. Here. This one. It's literally the exact same one. Oh my days. Let's see. So we got 6 seconds. Perfect. Perfect. We got a gap. Let's see. If I see a price rejecting the gap, I might just go ahead and market execute. So I'm just gonna get it prepared. Settings, go with, where is it? Buy and sell. Click on trading. All right, that would be the case. So now we can just put my stop here. But this is like a fat wick, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. In 5, we got the closure already. We got it. Okay, come on, MGC. Come on. So the whole idea of this entry is just kind of copying off that daily range. And we get that 2-stage PSP at the highs, so that's like the only thing. Where's my PSP? This one is bullish. This one is bearish. Fair to manipulate. Let's see. Hopefully it'll be a winner. If that's a winner, I've literally taken 0 L's this week, which is insane. I took like, I don't know, 6-7 trays. No L's so far, which is perfect. So let's see if this one is gonna give us that beautiful week. That beautiful week closure. That's gonna be perfect. Not OBS. I'll go to Chrome. 144 stream. Let's go, gang. I just wait until I'm back to China, man. I'm going back soon. Probably like in 5 days or 6 days, I'll be back. So next week. Give me 1 sec. So you guys will watch this trade. I'm be back in like a minute. Ah, don't tell me he's gonna miss me. Come on, trade a little bit higher. You got it, gold. Come on, gold. Come on. Don't tell me like the minute I left you, you just rejected the gap. Holy, bro. Holy. What did I tell you guys? By the time CL said rejection, I will execute. But I was a bit far from the laptop. Fuck. Oh, man. Well, let's see if we're gonna get our tracement. Let's see. Wow. Interesting. Really interesting. Bro, I'm just gonna stick to my entry, bro. So far, like, I'm not just gonna put it here. Like, by the time it's just gonna continue, probably it's gonna make a new high. Or I might execute on silver. If we get the CISD on silver, I'll just take it on silver. Yup, that's gonna be another entry on silver. That's gonna be like a small entry. I'll probably go for this low. How much the risk will be here? 260, that's perfect. 260, perfect. Let's see. Oh my god, bro. Look at this rejection. Oh my god. Alright. Silver is setting up, so I might just go with silver here. Just go here. Oh my god, look at gold, man. Holy. So it's gonna go market execute sell. Alright. I'd rather just market execute there, bro. Let's see if my market execution was good or not. So now I'm risking like a lot more. I'm probably risking like around 500 bucks. 460, okay. Let's see. So gold just missed my entry, bro. I should have just went with a gap, which is a bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. So silver, come on. Just keep your head strong. The money might fail, but the respect don't. Let's see. Such an unfortunate mess on gold, but silver might pay us back. Let's see. I don't want to see -1 tick. I don't want to see minus. Come on, silver. Come on. That's not good, bro. Come on, reverse. Alright, now it's time to wait. Now this is the hardest part. Just to sit on your hand and wait for this candle to flip and just flush. Just go straight to TP. And by the time gold takes out a low, probably I might close. If it manages to get there. I mean, if it manages to get there. Hopefully not go this way. Hopefully it doesn't go north. Go south. Come on. Look. Silver, first letter, S. We want it to go south. S and S, strength switch. That's what we have. You know what I'm saying? So come on. Show me some. Okay. You want to retest the order block? That's fine. That's fine. You can do it. But start trading lower. That's good. Let me see the comments, man. Let me see the chat. Nothing so far. Okay. Let's see if we got new subs. Let's see. And we do. We have one new subscriber. Welcome, welcome to the family. Welcome. But yeah, the gold entry, bro, was fucking gold, man. It was gold, bro. It was gold. I could have easily chilled my stop right now. Especially with the new candle opening soon. It's just... Alright, it's time. It's time. It's time, silver. It's time. It's time to move. Gold is moving. Come on. Come on. Again, this is a stronger asset if it takes out that low. If gold takes out that low first, I'll go and close the trade on silver, by the way. Letting you guys know. Alright, so we're gonna get an SMT fail. I think we're gonna get this SMT fail here. With like a 2-stage PSP, and it's gonna save our trade. So I think silver is gonna take out this high. From that second stage, this one is like an SMT fail, which is a 2-stage PSP. Yeah, I think then we can reverse. Maybe. Let's see. Or you don't have to do it, gold. Silver, you don't have to do it. You can just continue lower. I'm just giving my TP, bro, and let me go. Look at gold, bro. I missed my entry with like what, 2 ticks? My days. Life. Oh my days, bro. Yo, just add a new eval CPR. I'm good. What are you doing? Wait. Nah, bro. I'm not gonna trade why. Missed this exact goal entry with it for active. Oh my god, bro. Oh, I missed it because of fucking limit, bro. I should have just. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not. That is what it is. But let's see. The new hourly candle still got potential, but let's just wait. And as I said, by the time gold takes out a low, I'll just close the silver trade, man. Alright, so we got the new second stage. We did get it. Okay, perfect. So we did get... Okay, now I want you to flush, please. But bro, the minute gold takes out a low, bye-bye silver. Probably. So come on, you need to be fast. Silver, you need to be fast. Really fast. You need to get to gold. Come on. Alright, the new candle is opening in 2 seconds. Okay. Alright, it's time to reverse. Now you just took out a high to reverse off of. So this is the time like to reverse off. Come on. If we get this CSD, I'll move my stop to this new high. Hopefully silver manages to survive this trade. Hopefully. And seems like it won't. Fuck, man. Really fucking unfortunate. Really fucking unfortunate. Missing out on 2K and oh, fuck this shit, man. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Look at that shit, man. I missed my entry with like with 1 sec. With like, oh my god, bro. Fuck. Fuck, we failed to see ISD. Holy shit. With the new hour, like, holy fuck, bro. Should have closed that shit here. Fuck, look at this. Look at this. Look at this fair to CISD. Fuck's sake. Could have been an all. Yeah, bro. I wanted to keep that streak continuing, man. That was a trade, man. That was a trade. Let's see. I think now if we do CISD, like that's the time for silver to probably catch up. Go for the hello. Now we not only took out a new high, also traded back into a gap. Maybe that's the time to reverse. HO. So I might just have to call it a day here, man. Probably it's like a minus 500. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, almost 500 bucks. Almost down on 500. So I might just have to call it a day, man. You sit on gold. You will mark short if you reject it, but instead you let it drop and I keep saying you missed it. Yeah, the problem is, I said I'm gonna be back in a sec. And then, I came back and rejected the gap already. Shit. I was here, but like by the time I was here by the time I came back to laptop. Well, look at that. Now it's reversing. Let me see what happened to GPP or Euro. We did not really reverse. Okay. Probably if HO gives the entry, I might be willing to take HO. Yeah, we have this 2-stage PSP now. Bearish. Yeah. I have like this 30-minute PSP. This one is bearish. Not really. All of them are bearish now. Okay. Nothing here. So I think gold is just gonna reverse from this gap and start trading lower, I guess. But I might have to close the stream, man. Let me see. If it doesn't have it thumbs up, you guys can go ahead and do so. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I need 4 subs, 4 new subs to 1600 today. So that's gonna be perfect. That's gonna be perfect. Yeah, there's nothing really here, man. Yeah, server like the only mistake I've made is this, not closing it. You guys already know that how I manage my trade. When we get a failed CSD, I close the trade immediately. And that was like aligning with the new 10 a.m. candle. I was like, let me just hold it. But I did not. That could have been, I should have just closed there. That could have been a perfect exit. Alright, so I might just have to call it a day here. probably that's it for me today, man. Can't call it a week. I'm up this week, I don't know, like 10 hour maybe, at least 10 hour. So yep, I wanted to enter the green. That did not happen. Let me see if we can get an entry. Probably not. So I might just, oh, YM, look at, bro, look at YM. I want to take YM, man. Holy, it looks really good. It looks really good. It looks really good. YM looks really clean, by the way. To the highs, it looks really clean. Do you have like any 2-stage here or something? But it looks clean. The M5 on YM looks really good. We did get the CXD. Let's see if we're gonna get the gap. If we're gonna get the gap. I might take the retest on the gap. Stops at the body. And then I will go for that high. And the probably let's crack 100 or 200 bucks. So by the time we'll go there, it'll be like 600 bucks. So it'll be up, I don't know, like half an hour for a day or something. And if I do take an L, that'll be like my full 1 hour loss. That's how I'll go about it. You just check the Discord. And I did not post them all. So I missed this one on stream. I took 2R, 2R, 4R. Another 2R, 6R. Another 2R, 8R. But what day is this? Wait. I think I'm just... Where's the calendar? The calendar is not here. Let me see the calendar on my phone. So from the 9th January. Okay, so let's go from the 9th. Okay, so 2R. Another 2R, which is 6R. And 2R, 2R is like 8R. And then probably did not post another trade. And the one on yesterday's stream on ES, 2R. So that's 10R. And I'm down 1R today. So it's been like 10R. Alright, holy bro. Wait. Perfect. I'm gonna take this one. Guys. I'm gonna take this YM trade. I'm gonna take this long on a YM. Just gonna mark it on markets. Just hit the gap. And I wanna take it all the way up to the high. No, I'm not gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go MYM. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one here. And then take it to the highs. That's gonna be... I'll probably go with 3 contracts. Alright, that's gonna be it. Just going with 10, even validation level within this. With this level. Alright, let's see if we're gonna hit it or not. If not, then it is what it is. So that will be like my full 1 hour loss. Full 1 hour day. Minus 1 hour for the day. Even though like I'm supposed to pull my stop here, but I'm anticipating like this 11 a.m. high to not 11 a.m. low to hold. So I'm just going like put it here below this order block. If it does play out, it does. If it doesn't, that's alright. So that'll be like a full 1 hour loss for the day. And I'll just go and call it a day. But if I took that gold trade, it would have been like a whole different story. I'm going for the highs. So it might be like 2L for the day. Let's see. Let's freaking get this one. If not, it is what it is. So I put down $100 on this one, like 110. And I will notice a pattern. If I take this L, I will notice that whenever I take another L, I take an L, the next trade is always an L. Like I haven't broken that record for like ages. Whenever I take an L, the next trade is an L. So if that's the case today, literally next week, whenever I take an L, I'll call it a day. Or at least come back next session. Let me see how many subs we got. 99. Wow, holy. What's it got? One more. If you guys haven't subscribed, you can just go ahead and subscribe right now and we'll get it to 1600. Perfect, 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 perfect. Let's see, let's see. This is gonna be the 1600. The 1600. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So now YM is gonna start reversing. Once he heard like we got 1600 subs, it will start reversing. Nice. I think we'll get 1600 subs today. Let's see, let's see. I'm gonna keep refreshing every sec. Perfect, 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 guys, perfect. Let's see. We still got one subscriber. We still need one. If you guys haven't subscribed already or you haven't hit the thumbs up, go ahead and give the live stream a like. And also subscribe so that NQ can reverse. YM can reverse. Nice. Come on, come on. It's time to reverse. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, go up, go up. Hey, go up. So again, same management. Let's see if we're gonna trade back here. CISD, manage. No CISD, close. Easy. So let me just set an alert here. That's it. Let's get back to the chat. Is this TT? No, 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 I'm not. I'm not. سطح التريد اللي دخلها بروج not following this trade plan. To me, it is. Kind of it is. Just going with the man. Somewhat, I think. Somehow, I think you're right. But bro, like this is the thing. Like when I'm taking, well, you know, I'm just gonna let it run. I love the lower time frame signatures, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hold it. So like this one with this size. If we get that CISD, I'm holding it. If not, I'm closing it. If it comes back to my entry, I'll close manually. I'll be so aggressive with this one. So now stops at break even, bro. Now it can do whatever the fuck it wants to do. So let me see. Just failure to manipulate. Yeah, exactly. Who are you? Uh, who are you? Wait a minute. Who are? Come on, get the fuck up. Let's go. Run. Let's see the money, bro. 60. What the fuck? Oh, this is for $66. What the fuck? All this struggle and pain for $66. Look at gold. We could have taken a break even. At least it's a break even better than a $400, so like almost $500 loss on silver. Yeah. For the setup, yeah, it's a completely fail. It's a 100% failure to manipulate. This is a failure to manipulate. Just anticipating a new high based off this C3. So anticipating the C4 to just expand that high. That's it. No cracks in correlation. Who are you? Let's see if we're gonna get 1600. Let's refresh. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Even though I took an L on stream, but that's like a W. That's like a W for the channel, so fuck it. It is what it is. Beautiful. Alright, so we got the CISD, which is perfect, but I'm not gonna move my stop here, bro. I don't want to take another L. I'll just take my break even and go. Call it a day. Yeah, we already kind of retraced. Oh man. We might go with the body. If we form a gap here, I'll probably give it some breathing room to the body. But the minute kind of trace below this one, that means we're not forming a gap. So I'm not gonna hold this one for longer. So here's the deal. This one forms a gap. I'm gonna move my stop to the body, give it some breathing room. Because I might just kind of okay. Now we just close the gap. Alright, so I'm gonna just take my $400 risk, $400 L, and go chill. That probably might be the case for me today. And for the people that trade on TPT, like, are there any issues with TPT? I've heard some people that are having some issues on Reddit, so I'm not sure if that's true or not. If y'all have any ideas, let me know. Let me check. This is the Discord. Y'all can do the reactions here or not? I don't think y'all can. I'll have to check. Alright, so I'm out. I'm out of break even. That's it, man. It is what it is. Day. Oh, that's so true. That's so true. Bro, I'm just Venom. Thank you for the 1600 sub. So a new milestone. Thank you guys so much. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for the subs. That's really beautiful. So let's just go ahead and go do the trade breakdown for the what day is it? So today is this sale will be like the 11th, right? Yeah, it'll be the 11th. Let's see the 11th. Trades I take on the 11th. I think this one. Okay, let's just continue. Let's see. Let me go to NQ. Let me go to NQ. I think Fridays are not the best for me. I'll have to check. Bro, I did not journal this week, so I'll just go to NQ and go to what day is it? It was on the. It was not this one. It was not this. This was the. No. I think I have it on MNQ here. It's supposed to be somewhere in here. Take that off. MNQ. I think it should be here. Yup. Here are they. Let me see if I can try to figure out. All right, so we back. Let's take a quick break. Let me take a sip of water. All right, let me see. I don't remember why it's okay, but let's see. I think on M15, probably like a 2-stage. I was trading away from that 2-stage. Let me go to M15. Where was it? No, it was a fair to manipulate. Yup, it was a fair to manipulate. Trader below the low, irrelevant swing to reverse off of, fail to manipulate. It showed the signature to fail to manipulate, which is for me a manipulation or a new swing. The M15, I think it was setting up in new swing by then. Yep. I know we're trading above this high. So we had this. I think we had the SMT. I don't remember, bro. I should have done the breakdown a lot earlier. Let me check. ES. We did not have SMT. Maybe YM. Maybe we had an SMT with YM. Yep. Okay, I remember. We traded into a gap, which is irrelevant swing, and what do we have? This one stage here. With the failure to manipulate, with the anticipation that this is a failure to manipulate to go to the next level and draw, which is for me at that time it was this gap, but it just gave 2R just above the gap, so that's why I took it right there. That's it. I took the CISD with the one stage cracking correlation, so we took out irrelevant swing. If we're gonna reverse from here, we will just do, especially with the CISD. But what we ended up doing, we traded back into the gap. So the first high, always anticipate the first high into a gap to get taken out. Like most of the time. Like look at that first high that traded into the gap, it could taken out. And if you have a cracking correlation within that second level, within that second candle, after the gap got tapped, with like your one cracking correlation that is aligned with that direction overall, you could take it. So that's why, like the failure to manipulate, and the one stage cracking correlation into a gap. So that was like it. That was like the first trade. And give me guys 1 sec. And the second trade, let me go to M15C. Let me go to M. Let me see what it was. And same story. C2 closure. C2 closure with that second stage. That's it. Manipulation of AI into a gap holding. We have that C2. Also, again, we're trading into the low, like which is like the extreme level. So this is the only area we're gonna reverse from. If not, then we'll have to take out a low. We reverse from it, manipulate new swing formation, and also not only that, what do we have? A C2 closure, and followed by that. I think I did not wait for that second stage, I guess. I don't know if I waited or not. Let me check. Yup, I did. The minute we traded above the high, I guess the market is... Yup, yeah. The minute we traded above the high, and we were still within the gap, and also we just retested the R block, I market executed here. Because now we just formed that one stage cracking correlation. So that's why market executed there, and that was TP. So I was willing to execute if I see, because by the time we got this candle... Wait, let me see. Yep, here. We got the M15 candle closure. Look how price... Wait. I don't remember. Wait. Let me see, bro. I'm tripping. Yeah, we did trade above. But why it's not showing on M3? Alright, there's some sort of lag. Oh, no. This one. The last 3-minute candle formed that second stage with that rejection, so I just mark executed right there with anticipation that this order block is gonna hold. So that was like the whole idea. Let me see. Yeah, just mark executed the high at the closure of the candle. If you guys see at the closure of the candle, I market executed with the anticipation that the new candle is just gonna expand directly, and that's what happened. Do you guys get it? And ES. All right, I'll go ahead and do the ES one. I'll do the ES trade. Let me see if we got like a new subscriber. We did not. Okay, let's go to ES trade that I took yesterday. That's like for the trades that I took on NQ, on MNQ. For ES. Where's that trade? I took like a shallow run. It was like a clean. Oh, I think it was on M5. I took ES. Where was it? Where's yesterday's PA? Thursday. GC. 1400. I think it was somewhere. Where's that? Thursday. No, it was not. It was this one. What the fuck? Where was it? What the? It was before. It was before 9:30. Holy fuck! Was it yesterday? Oh no, it was. What the? Wait. Let me check my stream, man. I forgot when I took it. I swear I forgot when I took it. Thursday. 1500. 1500. Was it this? No, it was not this one. Oh yeah. No, not this one. Was it this one? Yeah. It was here. Okay, I remember. I think it was here on M3. I think it was here. This move. This quick move. I took a quick move. Nope, not this one. What the? Let me check the stream. You guys remember when I took the ES trade? Let me see. Do you remember when I took the ES trade? Mythical. Bro, I forgot when I took that ES trade. Was it yesterday? Was it on yes? Did I even live stream yesterday? Did I live stream yesterday? What the fuck? Let me check the content, bro. Live? I think it was yesterday, right? I think it was yesterday. I think this one. No, it was 57 minutes. I think it must have been this one. Let me check. No, it was not this one. Let me see. Like from the get-go, I was on a trade. Okay. It was, alright. So it was Wednesday. It was Wednesday. It was not that day. So it was on Wednesday. Stop. Wednesday. Holy fuck, bro. Where the fuck? Oh, there it is. Finally. Finally. Again, with the same anticipation. It's just a failure to manipulate. Let me go ahead and go there. The hourly. Clean draw liquidity. I think it was on it. Bro, I don't remember, man. Like, my brain is not braining. Let me check. Let me check. Alright, I remember. I don't remember. Where was it? Where did I enter? I entered here. What do we have? We have this minor strength switch, but it doesn't matter. M15. This one is closed. Let me see. Did we trade about below this one? Alright. Bro, I swear to God I don't remember. But it was a fair to manipulate, but I don't remember the exact reason why I took it. Probably the bro, I forgot. I swear to God I forgot. But I just executed on it. I don't know. I don't remember, man. I swear to God. Bro, I'm tripping. Man, I need some sleep. Wait, let me check in queue. That's why I need to post trade breakdowns like the minute I take a trade. I think I found it. I think I did. Yep, I did. Finally. Okay, here's the reason why. M15, SMT failed. That's why. This one traded below. If you guys really check. This one, what time it closed? It closed at 15, right? 9:15. So by the time at 9:15, if you guys really check, this is what we had. Take the next candle. No, it's not. What the fuck? It's really not. What the fuck? Holy shit! Where the fuck I took it? 30 minutes? Bro, I don't know. Maybe just the fair to manipulate, I guess. Bro, I don't know. I don't remember. I swear to God, I don't remember. Just based off the fair to manipulate, I guess. Yeah, just based off the fair to manipulate and how close proximity to the high we are. And we have also that news driver, and we haven't manipulated yet. So the 930, which is going to go ahead and expand. So either we're going to have 930 expanding into a drone liquidity, then reversing, or we already hit the drone liquidity. So now it's just going to start expanding. So I think that was the whole idea for me. It's just we expanded so far, and we're so close to the high that most likely we're going to reverse. And NQ gave me the confidence because it took out the high first. It took out a high and then reversed. And we're seeing that retracement phase. And ES just went ahead and gave that CISD. So I was anticipating this being the low of that new 15-minute candle. So also the 15-minute candle supported a bullish profile. So open low, traded below a level, then CISD. So now I'm trading below, away from the low of that new M15 candle. Anticipating 930 to just expand if we just did not, like if before 930 we don't hit the draw yet, then 930 is just gonna go ahead and expand. For that we will have that acid resync because NQ traded above the high, failed to reverse. ES is real close to the high, so most likely we'll take it. So that's the whole idea. It was not based off like a new swing, or I was trading a new swing here, but there was no cracks in correlation here. There were no cracks in correlation here. It was just with the anticipation that this SMT is gonna get broken. And ES is going to go ahead and catch up. And I guess YM was a little bit far compared to them. Yep, it was compared to them. So I was anticipating this mid asset to be the one that puts in that failure swing SMT. And for SMT, and for ES to catch up to that same high. And for them to reverse at the same time. And that's exactly what happened just before 930. We hit that high and then 930 just started expanding lower. So that was like the whole narrative for me and ended up laying out. So it was not like a based off a new swing. So yeah, that was it, man. Yeah, perfect. You still remember, perfect. You know about Mike from Suits? Mike from... No, I don't know him, man. Mike is... I think I saw some clips, but I don't know him exactly. So yeah, that's really it. That's really it, the reason why I took it. So, yippee. We got a new record here, man. 1,600 subs. Thank you guys. Oh, 601. Perfect. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I was just gonna go ahead and take our LR run. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Thank you so much, guys, and I wish you guys all the best. Monday, we're coming back stronger. What day is it today? Friday. So by Monday, I'll be in another city. So the internet is gonna be good. Let me check. Let me check when I'll be in another city. Let me check. Okay, Monday and Tuesday. Probably I will not stream on Tuesday, but Wednesday I will live stream. So Monday I will live stream. Tuesday, most likely I will not live stream. Most likely. And Wednesday I will. So from Wednesday, I'm going back to China. So yep, from Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, the streams will be good. So I'll make sure the VPN and everything's working good before going back to China. And yep, and let's finish February strong. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for the new record. And let's take one last look at Silver. See what it's doing. Silver. Yeah. So is this going higher? That's it. GC. We could have taken. Okay. We could have taken a break even. So that's all right. All right. So see you guys. Take care. Thank you guys. Adios. Suits. Where the amazing Suit Sweep series. Oh, that guy. Okay. Wait. Is there a bank holiday on Monday? Is there a bank holiday on Monday? Oh, bank holiday. Okay. So Monday, no trading. Tuesday, I will just live stream. I will not live stream because I'm gonna be at the airport at night. And then tomorrow. All right. So that's it. See you guys. Take care. Adios, amigos. See you guys. Probably if we manage to, if I have some time on the weekend, which most likely I won't, we can do like an hour late session, hour charting session. So if I'm gonna do like some sort of journaling, I'll just go ahead and do the live stream. I'll let you guys know so you guys can also join so we can all learn something new. That's it for me today. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. Adios, amigos.